Hi there, are you wasting your team hours searching for LinkedIn profiles manually, which can sometimes lead to incorrect or inconsistent data? What if there was a way to automate this process for your sales pipeline and can convert leads into actual opportunities by actually working and making the decisions upon their real scraped data from LinkedIn? We are using Phantom Buster to perform the scraping of the leads and Airtable as our CRM or the base to store the leads information. So let's jump into how it works. So first we have this Airtable, which has the name and the LinkedIn profile. And the first step in the automation is the search record. It will search for the record and get the LinkedIn profile ID. Based on that, it will iterate those records, get the launch of Phantom. So in the Phantom Buster, you can see leads. We have this as an option that we can scrape the LinkedIn leads and get their details. So in this, we are just getting the output of those Phantom or the scraper. Then we are just using a sleep module to update the data. Then we are using a search records to find that particular record ID and then updating it. So search records and update records are then used to search and update the record for that particular profile URL. So this is the kind of designation, skill set, LinkedIn rating and source and other things are being fetched and scraped through Phantom Buster. It enriches your current CRM or the actual records that you have inside your client database and enriches that with the particular information so that you can create actions accordingly. So that's it for the whole automation. This system not only speeds up your lead generation process but also makes sure to enrich the lead data with the correct information scraped from the LinkedIn. If you're ready to scale your LinkedIn data and the CRM data with more accurate and actionable information, you can contact GrowStacks today and we'll tailor this automation specifically suited for your business. Let's get scraping. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.